is going on? This is Shaylin from Altcoin Buzz here to report the news for today. So let's get straight into it. So now we can see the cryptocurrency markets climb towards the green. Bitcoin above $10,000. So we can see the Bitcoin is almost at $10,300. Ethereum is above $850, and Ripple is getting close to that $1 mark once again. So I just want to reflect this to you guys. Just by looking at the charts, we can see that they are increasing right now. A lot of cryptocurrencies are in the green, up quite a lot. And, I just want to reflect this to you guys. If you guys believe in blockchain, really if the market fluctuates or it decreases or anything like that, it really should not make any difference. Like right now, we just saw it just decrease a tiny bit right here for the price of Bitcoin. So just talking about blockchain, right, in general. If you believe in this, you believe in the long-term future, that's when you're going to see the massive gains that you guys are really looking for. It really should not matter about the price right now, because if you believe in something in the future, you're going to see 20, 30x, 40x, 50x. By then, that's when we're going to see mass adoption, because we just look at the statistics right now. There's a very small amount of people that actually understands what cryptocurrency is, and there's an even smaller percentage of people which are actually involved with cryptocurrency. Right now, we're just looking for that mass adoption, and we haven't seen it right now, which is why we're seeing all these price fluctuations along with regulating, because they don't really understand what exactly they are dealing with, and more people are getting more involved with it because they're starting to understand it. It's starting to really wake up and see the bigger picture. So right now, I just want to urge you guys to actually look at it from an investor point of view as compared to a trading point of view, because the trading point of view, what I believe is going to happen is that they're going to get flushed away. Those people who are just looking for quick trades here and there just to make a quick return, those are the people who are going to get flushed away, because you can't really time the market unless you're like an expert. And I really have never met an expert who's actually timed the market 100%. So the best case situation, what you can do right now is actually educate yourself, see what is happening right now. And if you guys are interested, definitely hop on board any type of cryptocurrency that you guys believe will have a long-term future. But in order to see massive returns, that's only going to come when we see mass adoption, which is going to come later on. It's not going to come anytime soon, at least not now for the most part. But again, guys, this is not financial advice by any means. This is the way I am just looking at it. And here's another reason why you shouldn't pay attention to regulation in China, at least for now. So in this article, they go on to say, if China bans Bitcoin, 190 countries around the world will be more than happy to buy whatever price they're selling. If China dumps Bitcoin on the market, it will go for sale, and people will scoop it up in a fire sale. So we've seen that happen. Whenever the cryptocurrencies have crashed, a lot of people are looking at it from an opportunist point of view, grabbing these cryptocurrencies at awesome discounts, while a lot of people are just panic selling. I mean, we saw that when Bitcoin's price dropped all the way down to $6,000. In fact, it even goes and say, I'm not worried about that. Look at what happened 2 weeks ago. Something caused Bitcoin to drop to $6,000. And look at where it is now, over $11,000. Well, it's actually at $10,000 right now. 80% in 2 weeks. You can't disregard all of the noise. So just to keep in mind, when we start to see regulations and stuff like this, it's always important that we see two sides of the story as compared to just saying, regulation, this is bad. For one side, every time you hear news, there's always two sides of the story. You can either look at it in a positive way, you can look at it in a negative way. I believe in looking at it from two perspectives all the time, and that way you can get a good generalization as compared to just looking at it always opportunist and always negative. That'll give you the best approach moving forward, especially in a market like we are right now. So this is the biggest news we have today. Circle has bought Poloniex, a cryptocurrency exchange, for $400 million. So wow, that is a lot of money. It is one of the larger deals in the crypto economy. So Circle, which runs a cryptocurrency platform that allows larger clients to trade Bitcoin on the market, has bought the underlying exchange known as Poloniex in a deal that values Poloniex at about $400 million. So wow, that is a lot of money to be spending on a cryptocurrency exchange. So they certainly look like they know what they're doing. I mean, to spend that amount of money, they certainly have some big futures for it. So really interested to see what Poloniex is going to be doing with this new update. I do know that Circle is well established on Wall Street, so I'm really interested to see how that is going to move forward and really what is going to happen. So, Canadian diamond mining company hires new CEO, turns to blockchain. So, a Canadian diamond exploration and mining company known as Lucera Diamond has appointed a new chief executive to move forward in modernizing the diamond industry with blockchain technology. So, I find it even more interesting as more companies, this diamond company, but now we're starting to see a lot more tech companies get more involved with blockchain because they really believe that it has real world application, and it really can only do that, but it will also help bring more publicity to the company. So really interested to see how this is going to move forward. I'm not really sure how blockchain is really going to play a major part for a diamond and mining company, but I certainly believe that, with diamonds as there is in limited supply, I certainly believe there is some application for blockchain. So I'm really interested to see how this is going to move forward. I'm definitely following the story very closely. So Venezuela launches a free cryptocurrency trading courses for its citizens. So I really love to see this because the Venezuelan government are actually launching free training courses to teach its citizens how to buy, sell, and mine digital currencies, particularly the oil-backed petro. So regardless if they're just trying to promote their oil-backed petro, I really think that this is a good initiative, and more governments should really look at doing this, because right now, in order for you to really find information, you really have to dig really deep on the internet and really find out, what is a hardware wallet? Where do you store your cryptocurrencies? Where do you buy your cryptocurrencies? It's just really confusing, especially being in New Zealand right now with our banks, blocking us from buying cryptocurrencies and Coinbase not really working here. If we had this in place, it would be so awesome, because not only that, we would feel like the government is actually looking out for us. So I'm really interested to see how Venezuela is going to move this forward, but it looks like right now they are just focusing on just educating their audience about their oil-backed petro. So I'm really interested to see how that is going to move forward. So Uzbekistan to regulate cryptocurrencies after September 2018. So it looks like Uzbekistan will publish its plans to regulate Bitcoin in September 2018, with a blockchain skills center set to begin operating in July, according to their local news reported on February the 21st. So I'm really interested to see how this regulation will take place and what effect Uzbekistan will have on cryptocurrencies from September onwards. So let's head over to Twitter and let's see what new updates we have. So we do have this update from Electroneum saying, "Hi all, just to let you know, we have run a few tests and it appears that the Cryptopia wallet transfers should be functioning again." So it looks like they had some trouble with their wallets, but now everything seems to be working fine. So you guys can go and check them out at Cryptopia and make sure your wallets are still functioning well. So Cardano is also new. So Cardano, a rising cryptocurrency that wants to change the world. A great article and interview with Charles that describes our advantageous process of building Cardano from scratch. So if you guys are interested in Cardano, I definitely suggest you guys check out this article by Mashables, where they talk about this more in detail. Lisk is also new today. Hi, just a friendly Monday reminder to keep an eye for fake Lisk accounts functioning as fraudulent competitions. Lisk HQ is the official channel for the foundation, and Lightcurve HQ is the official channel for our blockchain agency. Max Cortex and Karma Crypto are the Lisk founders. So just make sure you guys are following the right people on social media, and make sure you guys are getting the right information. Please never ever give out your private keys or any type of sensitive information, because there are a lot of scammers out there and they just want to take your hard-earned money. So please be very careful in this market, as well as who you follow and who you give your information to. So you can check if it's a verified account. You can just check for this check mark. You'll see it on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, or you can go to CoinMarketCap, go on the social tab, and that will be linked to the official account. Another way is you can go to the official website and find the social links, and that is how you're going to find the right social medias that you're following for the right accounts. And that is it today from the news, guys. If you guys are new here, be sure to follow us on Twitter at altcoinbuzzio. We're also on Instagram at altcoinbuzz. We also have a podcast channel on YouTube, which we're really trying to grow. We're trying to get interviews with a lot of these big cryptocurrencies so you guys can hear firsthand what they have to say about their cryptocurrencies. We're also working, our podcast is also on iTunes, Google Play Store, and a whole bunch of other places. We also have a Discord, a Telegram, as well as an Altcoin Buzz Army on Facebook groups. So I'll leave a link to everything linked below. That way you guys can check us out and let us know what you are doing in the market. What coin should we look at? What video should we make? So leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys want us to do, and join our social medias. And if you guys are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, turn on post notifications, and follow us on all of our social medias. And that is it from today, guys. I will catch you guys on the next video.